Hello. So Trump was in the Oval Office when the CPI data hit a 3-year high at 4.2%. His reaction? He just said, "I love inflation." And some feel this may give Walsh a little breathing room when he starts at the Fed. I'm not so sure though. Meanwhile, the ECB do not love inflation and they're expected to vote for a quarter-point rate hike later today. It's Thursday the 11th, I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now we might see a little more volatility in the market before the weekend. That's after the US launched fresh strikes on Iran. There have been a few tit-for-tat exchanges after Israel struck southern Beirut on Sunday, but the US launched a new wave of strikes on Iran yesterday after Trump accused them of downing an American helicopter. Some say the ceasefire is just being tested, others fear it's breaking down in front of us. On the domestic front, we have April's GDP data out tomorrow. Forecast is for a contraction of 0.1% as the energy shock is catching up. That logic is supported by retail sales, which were down, and PMI services, which were in contraction. But the tube strikes are also suggested to have had a dampening effect on activity. Whatever the reasons though, 0.6% growth from Q1 looks to be long behind us. Reeves has been on. She gave a speech on AI adoption. It seems that AI is the economic lever she hopes will unlock growth as business groups are pushing her to move faster on growth policies. And questions still remain about her future in number 11, especially if Burnham gets into number 10. The Bank of England has been on about an AI deepfake video showing Bailey and Farage having a fight on the BBC Question Time. They were eventually separated by police officers, but it was all linked to an investment scam, and Farage quickly confirmed it was fake. But the Bank of England has warned that impersonation scams are on the rise. You don't say. In the market, the dollar index closed just over the 100 level as traders watched the Middle East for any further escalation. Cable had a fairly choppy day yesterday, but sterling kicks off around 133.80 against the dollar. We're a little higher against the euro, around 115.80, and euro dollar is around 115.45 on the open this morning. Now that's it from me. I've got a dash for it. It's just starting to rain. Toodaloo.